Hey guys, today I want to talk about how you can adjust the stitches for this pattern. This is the Easy Like Sunday Bikini Bottom. I've uploaded a video tutorial last week on my YouTube channel along with a free written pattern for size XXS that is on my blog. I'm going to place all the links in the description below. Please check it out. And if you are of different size, larger sizes, please keep on watching till the end, and I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can adjust the stitches to fit your size. Okay, so for this project, we will need to take 4 of our measurements. The first measurement is our crotch width. That is then where we will start working our bikini. Second is our crotch length. That is then the size from the crotch to your hip line. And third is our hip size. So on the video that I showed you, I did size XXS. My crotch width is 2 inches. So for example, if your crotch width is 3 inches and our gauge says 14 double crochet per 2 inches, that means that if we break it down, we will have a total of 7 double crochet per inch. So if your crotch width is 3 inches, that means that you will have a total of 21 double crochet for your crotch. Yeah, so that also goes the same for the amount of rows that you will work per inch. So since our gauge says 5.5 rows per 2 inches, if we break that down, we have 2.75 rows per inch, right? So now we need to determine the crotch length. But this is not for the full crotch length. This is only for the front part, okay? So you need to take the measurement from your crotch to your hip line from the front. And the hip line, that is where you're going to end, or that is where you're going to stop adding rows, or that is where you're going to stop increasing for your bikini. And since my crotch length is 8 inches, what I need to do is to multiply 2.75 rows by 8 inches. Yeah, so that means I need to work a total of 22 rows for my front part. Yeah, so you also do the same for your own measurement as well. So after working the front part, we will connect our yarn at the very first stitch of our crotch, and then we will proceed with the back part. Now the complete written pattern for this bikini bottom comes in size XXS to size XL, which will be available as well on my Ravelry and Etsy shops. It also comes with the instructions as far as how many times you need to keep on repeating the rows here for this part. That is the shaping for the back part of the bikini. And then after that, you're just going to keep on increasing in every row until you get to the length or the total measurement of your crotch length as well. By the way, if you prefer a high-waisted bikini bottom, you're gonna have to measure a little bit higher than what I did. So instead of working at the hip level, you're gonna have to extend, or you're gonna have to keep on increasing until you get to your waistline or wherever you prefer it to end. But we will not do that for this pattern. We're going to stop working at the hip level only. Yeah, so if you prefer a high-waisted bikini bottom, increase or keep on increasing your number of rows until you get to your total crotch length. I do have to note that the biggest challenge for me when making this bikini bottom is Probably the side straps, because I really had to use first a string on both sides before I was able to determine how many clusters I need to work for my size. Now for the border, I highly suggest that you use a clear elastics while you work with the picot stitches, because that will also help in keeping your bikini bottom that it stays snug when you wear it. Yeah, so the complete written pattern will also have an instruction as far as how many clusters you need to work for each of the sizes XXS to size XL. Now there are two special stitches that I used for the details on this bikini bottom. First is the crossed double crochet, which is available as a video guide in my YouTube channel. And second is the picot stitch, which also has a video guide. So for the rest is only made up of double crochet stitches and cluster 3 double crochet clusters. Alright friends, that's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and that you can also apply it to some of my patterns as well. If you have other questions, please write them down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Or better yet, join us on our newly founded Facebook group. I will place all of the links in the description box below. Please check them out. Also, I have other free patterns on my blog and my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you have a good day today.